Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's episode we're talking about 3 reasons why Bitcoin price tanked today and 5 signs that the rally is just beginning. So if you want to find out what they are, stay tuned. What's up guys, Randall here. Bitcoin price tanked today, down 2% in just an hour. Today we're going to find out what are the reasons why and also 5 reasons to be optimistic that this is not the end of everything. Before we do, guys, like the video, subscribe, it helps so much, and click the notification bell to find out when I'm posting new videos. Now, the 3 reasons why Bitcoin dropped just 2% in 1 hour based on this article on Cointelegraph. First is the CME Bitcoin futures gaps. Now, yesterday I made a video about that, which you can look at right here, but apparently these things do have a hold on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a commodity, and when they trade futures of commodities, that impacts the price because there's a price gap between the two and there's arbitrage going on between those. Now, if we take a look here on the weekly CME prices, look at this. Gap 1, Gap 2, Gap 3, Gap 4. Bitcoin's been exploding so fast that the CME can't keep up with it, and we have a gap every weekend for the past 4 weeks. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 is the next short-term Bitcoin monthly moving average is below 12.5. So if we take a look at this down here, we can see that there is the moving average below 12.5, and as we can see here, generally throughout history, even during bull markets, at least one short-term moving average on the monthly chart was hit before the continuation of a rally. So we were going up so fast that sometimes it just needs to come down, find a little bit of support, consolidation, before it takes off again. Reason number 2. And reason number 3, Bitcoin comes off a major resistance level. The $14,000 resistance level was one of the last 3 resistance levels before we reached new all-time highs at $20,000. So obviously we would bounce off of it. There was a previous line of resistance. It's resistance again here. So clearly we bounced off of there. So there's 3 reasons why. Now don't get all down in the dumps just because Bitcoin price came down 2%. I mean, you do remember over the year it's up ridiculously. But what's even more reasons to be excited about it? Well, 5 reasons the real Bitcoin rally may only be just beginning. So first thing, we have a higher time frame breakout. So even though it's down 6% from its peak at $14,000, guess what? There's a clear breakout evident on the weekly and monthly candles as we see here. Clearly, we are still in a breakout right here. So that's exciting because, hey, it's not a daily thing. It's a long-term type of thing. I mean, it may be a daily thing for some of you who trade a lot, but for most of us, we hodl. Now, the second thing that says we're still early on in the beginning of a rally is that Google Trends activity and social volume are still low. People aren't searching Bitcoin on Google. People aren't searching how to buy Bitcoin on Google. Also, they aren't tweeting about it. As a matter of fact, the tweet volume of Bitcoin in October rose only 7.8%, shown right here. Not very much. Even though we're at relative highs, still, nobody's talking about it. Next thing, technical indicators show rally is not overheated. So there's this indicator called the Mayer multiple, named after John Mayer, the amazing guitarist. And it's not really named after him. But basically it takes a 200-day moving average and it finds the multiple of that. And when the multiple is above 2.4, as we can see right here above this orange line, as we saw back in the end of 2017, also 2014, 2013, and before that, when it gets to that level, it's overheated. We're not even close to there yet. We're at like a 1.2 multiple of the 200-day moving average. And guess what? If it keeps moving up slowly, the 200-day moving average keeps moving up slowly, and that 2.3% multiple keeps getting higher and higher and higher. So next one, hash rate still near a record high. Look at this. Boom. Still continuing to creep up. Hash rate gets higher and higher. And I think this is number 5. Yes, number 5, the hodling activity is still strong. So if we take a look at the hodling chart, people are still hodling Bitcoin for longer and longer periods of time. As we can see here, we have the length of the hodl up top here, 10 years, 7 to 10 years, 5 to 7 years, and these keep expanding. So people keep holding it for longer and longer because when the price goes up, that's when the whales tend to sell. Now that's 5 reasons why the Bitcoin rally may be still early on, but I think reason number 6 is right here. PewDiePie pushing video game that gives out crypto. I mean, he has more people that watch him than most news networks. And if he's pushing a crypto-based game, an Ethereum-based game, it's like Pokemon. Okay, you go around and collect stuff, you earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, different things like that, and people can eventually steal them from you in the future. It could be a fun interactive game that gets a lot of people involved, gets people earning crypto, especially when this starts to take off. People are going to want to learn ways to earn their sats and their pieces of ETH and everything else, and you can get NFT PewDiePie skins and everything else like that. So I think those are the reasons why it's still very early on. It's still just, shh, nobody knows about it. The price is going up, but nobody knows. So just shh, it'll keep going up, and eventually we're gonna be loaded. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. I will catch you later. Have a good one. Peace.